Money habits of millionaires. How do some people become millionaires while the rest of us wonder about our pizza money? Most millionaires aren't magicians or lottery winners. They simply develop very strong money habits over time. If your wallet keeps losing weight every month, then something is definitely wrong with your spending. Imagine putting money in a jar every month and watching it slowly turn into a treasure chest. Instead of just saving, millionaires invest so their money starts hiring little money employees to work. Buying 10 shiny gadgets on credit might mean you have to work forever just to pay them off. If you understand money, then money stops confusing you. So spend time reading and studying markets. Building wealth is more like planting a tree than microwaving popcorn. It takes time and consistent care. The real secret isn't flashy spending. It is simple habits repeated again and again every single day. You don't need a treasure map to build wealth. You just need better money habits to start.